Welcome to this very special video. On October 12, 2024, Hispanic Heritage Day, the city of Barcelona experienced a historic moment with the arrival of the Juan Carlos I, the only aircraft carrier of the Spanish Navy. This imposing multipurpose amphibious ship arrived at the port as part of the activities that the Navy has carried out in honor of the Louis Vuitton 37th America's Cup, one of the most prestigious nautical events in the world, and that weekend celebrates the final regatta. But that's not all. On October 13, His Majesty King Felipe VI embarked on the aircraft carrier, landing on its deck by helicopter, to observe the exciting races from a privileged perspective. Join us to discover all the details of this unforgettable day, with unique exterior and interior images of this majestic ship that you cannot miss. I am Pedro Enrique Pujols, and this is my channel El del President. This ship was put into service in 2010 by the Spanish shipyard Navantia, in Ferrol, and takes its name from HM King Don Juan Carlos I, thus continuing the long tradition of the Navy of assigning one of its main ships the proper name of the reigning monarch, maintained since the arrival of the House of Bourbon to the throne of Spain in 1700. Thousands of Barcelona residents and other nearby cities have taken advantage of the opportunity they were given to visit and get to know the Navy's only aircraft carrier. A bus service was established to access the point where it was docked and long queues formed, despite the rain. The tour, after accessing the vehicle hold via a ramp, allowed us to see some of the amphibious vehicles and boats used by the Tercio de Armada Marine Infantry Brigade. In the floodable dike at the end of it there were several landing craft of the type with more VAMTAC vehicles on them, thus showing one of the capabilities, that of amphibious vectoring, that characterizes the L61 of the Armada. The possibilities of the L61 Juan Carlos I as an aircraft carrier were evident with the presence of a vertical takeoff Harrier fighter bomber in the aircraft hold, a place where more vehicles were also displayed, and another on the flight deck. Likewise, in the latter there remained, conveniently lashed, two SH-60F type multipurpose helicopters that completed the display of equipment from the aircraft flotilla. The Navy has offered a unique opportunity to visit this ship, the only one of its kind in the Navy. As a Barcelonan, I thank you and I hope it can be repeated. This is all for today. As always, remember to give a like if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss future publications. Do not leave yet, so you can watch a video from the official channel of the Spanish royal house about the visit of King Felipe VI to this ship on October 13, 2024. See you later.